5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
LJTaps. I hope you guys had a great holiday season and Happy New Year. Today we are doing a beginner combination to Scary Monsters and Nice Sprites by Skrillex. So without further ado, I'm just going to get started. So we are going to start this number with 4 slow time steps, and I will walk through what a time step is. So it is stomp, hop, step, lap, ball change. And now your weight is free for your left foot. With your right foot, stomp, pick it up, hop on your left, step onto your right, so you can do a full lap, ball change, leading with your left. So one more time, stomp, hop, step, full lap, ball change, and then you're going to go straight into that left foot. So that changes that stomp again, so you go straight into hop, step, full lap, ball, stomp. So the ball change, the end of the ball change is that stomp. So let's kind of do that slowly. Stomp, hop, step, full lap, ball change. Hop, step, full lap, ball change. Hop, step, full lap, ball change. You may notice I'm on my heels. Try your best to stay on your toes. I'm just doing it because of how slow it is. But in general, this is something you want to stay on your toes for. So again, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, full lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, full lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, full lap, ball, stomp, hop, step. Awesome. Let's do just that with music so we can get used to the tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hop, step, full lap, ball, step, hop, step, full lap, ball, step, hop, step, full lap, ball, stomp, hop, step. Sorry, I keep like playing with the words of what it is, but you guys get the idea. Yeah. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, hop, step, full lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, full lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, full lap, ball, stomp, hop, step. Awesome. From there, we are just going to do a cramp roll. So all that is with your right foot, toe, toe, heel, heel. We're going to do 2, both on your right foot, toe, toe, heel, heel. So let's just go over a cramp roll a few times. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. All right, so let's talk through the whole thing so far with the time step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Let's do that twice with La Musica. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Awesome. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step, lap, ball, stomp, hop, step. Toe, toe, heel, heel, the music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, hop, step, lap, stop, hop, step, lap, stop, hop, step, lap, stop, hop, step. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, hop, step. Awesome. Do it one more time, and then we only have one more step to learn. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop, hop, step, lap, stop, hop, step, lap, stop, hop, step, lap, stop, hop, step. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Shuffle, ball, swing, shuffle, hop, step. And then we have one more step for this. Okay, so we just did shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. And make sure we transfer all that weight to our right foot. So we're going to take our left foot and go flap, heel, heel. The way this one's going to go is left foot flap, left heel, back flap, right heel, left heel. So if you flap front, same foot, flap back, different heel. Let me talk through that again. With your left foot, flap, left, right, back, flap, right, left. Again, flap, left, right, back, flap, right, left. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So flap, right, right heel, back, flap, left heel, right heel. Let's practice again on the right. Flap, front, right, left, back, flap, left, right. Let's put that all together. So left foot, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, left, right, flap, right, foot, right, left, flap, left, right. Talk through it one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, left, right, back, flap, right, left, right, left, back, flap, left, right. I even got in my mind for that one. That was awesome. So let's talk through that whole thing and then we are done. So starting with your time step. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, flap, stomp, hop, step, flap, stomp, hop, step, flap, stomp, hop, step. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. Flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel. Do not stress out about the heels. If you notice you're having problems with them, as long as you get 2 heels down, it's okay if it's not the right foot for right now. So that's it, guys. So we're just gonna run it with music a couple times and that'll be our day, or our night, or whatever time it is for you. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Snap, hop, step, flap, stop, hop, step, flap, stop, hop, step, flap, stop, hop, step. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. Flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap. found this combination to be easy or easier than you're used to, feel free to check out our video on Friday. It'll be an intermediate version of this dance, and it is honestly one of my favorite dances I've choreographed, so definitely stick around for that. Thank you guys so much for sticking with us through the new year and for sticking through us with the beginning of this channel and the launch of this channel. It's really, really appreciated. And as always, we love to give back. We choose a different charity every week. This week is Habitat for Humanity, so I leave all the information right here. As always, 50% goes to the charity of our choice, Habitat for Humanity, and 50% goes to making sure we can make videos, continue to make videos like this. So thank you guys so much for dancing, and we will see you next week.